Hello guys, welcome to my new video. In this video I'm going to teach you guys how to set up a Etsy shop successfully using Printify in 2023. So guys, look straight to my screen. I searched the keyword Etsy drop shipping on Fiverr. So as you can see guys, they are just below 800 sellers on this search tag right here, and there is a lot of successful people here on this first page as well. As you can see, there are some sellers here that does not have any review yet, and some of them are getting jobs, as you can see guys. So firstly, check this search tag and build on it as well. So guys, before I dive right into today's tutorial, I need you guys to kindly subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification bell, like this video, and comment in the comment section below regarding my video. Thank you, I really appreciate it so much. So guys, let me dive right into today's tutorial. I'm going to open my new tab. As you can see right here, the first thing you have to do right now is to open a new tab on your system or your mobile, sign up on Etsy, or you could just go to my video description. I will leave the Etsy link there, as well as Printify also. So do check out my video description for the two website links. Sign up there, they'll be there. So guys, once you sign up on Etsy, set up a profile, add the necessary information you need to add, then just hold on, then open a new tab as well. Sign up on Printify. As you can see guys, sign up on Printify. This Printify is a very popular website that we guys use to create a product based on print on demand. You will design a product here on Printify and you will be able to sell it on Etsy. Meanwhile, you don't have to have a product at all. Do you understand guys? That's the idea. You don't need to have a product. You don't need to worry about how the buyers are going to get the product, because Printify will automatically get everything under control once a buyer orders a product from your store. So, and mind you, Printify is going to take some specific charges, like delivery charges, the product charges. Then they will advise you to add your own commission, like your profit. For example, you pick a product worth of, let's say you design a product now on Printify, and the discount and the shipping product, everything is just ending up in $10. And mind you, you have to link your payment method to Printify as well as Etsy, but you are not going to be charged on your payment method at all. Just for you to be able to get paid by Printify when someone buy your product, that is the reason why you need to link your payment method with Printify. Nothing more. You are not going to get to pay anything without you getting sales. No, you don't need to pay for anything here. So that's the idea guys. If you want to start a business, you have been thinking of how to start something up, I just want to get something going, to like I want to earn from something, this is the best way for you guys to go about it. This is one of the best tips I'm giving in my video these days, and I want you to make good use of it. And comment in the comment section whenever there is first sales on your store. Just comment in the comment section, tell me, hey Questionnaire, I got my first sales today. I'll be very happy to congratulate you. Good. So guys, after you do all the necessary things, your product will automatically be shipped within 3 to 7 days to wherever your client is located. And mind you, this Printify, they have branches in Canada, they have branches in China and some other parts of the world, which makes it more effective for them to ship products to any part of the world. That's the point guys. Before you start everything now, once you're done creating these two website accounts, sit down, think of what category or what service what products do you want to base on, what do you want to sell. Like me right now, I'm selling a cap on my Printify, on my Etsy account. So the thing is, you could render the same product on your own account as well, like sell the same product. And you can also think of something else. For example, like as you can see here guys, there's wedding clothes, there are jewelries, clothing, home and living, wall arts, kitchen and dining. There are so many subcategories here, guys, as well as you can see, jewelries and accessories. Do you see the drop down, guys? As you can see, this drop down, there are so many drop downs here which you can go and start selling on them. This is clothing and shoes. As you can see, there are men's wear here, there are females. As you can see, there are men's wear and there are females wear here. Both shirts, joggers, a lot of subcategories are here. Do check them out one by one in order for you to make a very good decision, guys. Make a very good decision before you go straight to start designing a product on Printify. Think very well, and mind you, don't make your product like your store based on several products at once. I want you to base on a niche. Like for example, you are selling clothes, then you added a phone case product with it. That is not how you should do things. Don't do that, guys. Don't do such a mistake. If you want to sell phone case only, make your store based on phone case. Both Apple, Samsung, different brands should be on your Shopify. On your Etsy. So make sure you pick a specific niche and pick different brands on that particular product. Good. So once you are done with that, now you are done making your decision. Now you go back to your Etsy, search for that product you want to sell, see the price. For example, I'm selling art, so I'm going to click on Sun Arts. So I want to show you the price of art here. Okay. This is a different thing. I'll check it now. So guys, for example, now these products are like about $15, $10 above. But if I change the currency now, this is below almost $8. This is about $5 or so. So as you can see, guys, scroll to this section based on your currency to show on Etsy. But if you want to change the currency as well, I'll change it to dollars. But in order for you to receive your payment without any issue, I will advise you to use your currency, the same currency of the country you are currently. Use the same currency. As you can see, guys, these are the products here, right here. So as you can see, this is fantastic, right? Yes, good. So this is the niche I actually picked, and I'm selling on Etsy. So now I searched for a niche. I showed you the prices of the product. As you can see, the ones that do very well, they have a very dope niche, and the ones that have the highest range price here. So now I'm going back to Printify. I'm going to type cap as well on Printify. I'm going to type cap as well on Printify, and I will show you guys how everything works very well in just a few minutes. So guys, there are going to be options of caps here. I'm going to redesign them. Okay, sorry guys. Yes, so guys, these are the caps here. As you can see, guys, this cap, specifically this cap right here, it is $9.82, and this cap right here is $8.40, and this one right here is $15.84. So guys, check the cap you want to pick, or whichever product you want to sell. Check it. Like right now, I want to add this now. I want to sell this product now, and I want to make a design on the product. Then once you click on this product, before you proceed to start designing the product, mind you, I want you to do something, guys. Click on this, your profile right here. Once you click on your profile, once you click on the drop down beside your profile, this drop down right here, I already connected my Etsy account with this. If you haven't connected your Etsy account with this, it's going to bring an option, connect your store. For example, as you can see, guys, add a new store. If I want to add a Shopify store with this, I can add it here. If I want to add the eBay store with this, I can add it here. So now I already connected my Etsy store. So you guys also connect your Etsy store right here. Once I don't connect your Etsy store, it will show you a page of your store has been connected together successfully with Printify. Then you get a mail in your Gmail as well. Do check everything out and do everything slowly, guys. I'm just being fast in this video in order for you to get the point and grab the thing and start working on it in order for you to start getting some sales. So guys, I click on this last section here, a lady that is wearing the cap, and as you can see, guys. So guys, now I already got the exact image I want to display on my product. Then the next thing I'm going to click on is start designing. This product is actually located in Canada. I think I told you earlier that they have so many vendors in different parts of the world, and if anybody order this product from any part of the world, there is going to be, the duration of the day is going to be here. As you can see, guys, there is 2 to 9 days, 2 to 9 business days shipping duration. The person is going to wait for that, and shipping fee is $5.99, almost, let's just say $6. That's going to be the shipping fee, and the whole price of everything from US is $15.84. So guys, after everything, you must check everything right down here before you like pick the product that this is the product I want to use, or this is the product I'm going to use in this video. Now I'm going to click on start designing, and the next thing I have to think of is what is going to display on my product. Like for example, I want to add a rose, like a beautiful rose on the card, which I want to display and sell on my Etsy store. As you can see, guys, there are different options here for you to upload your product, like to upload the image on your product. As you can see, you can use custom text, you can use this option, you can use Dropbox, you can use Google Drive, and you can also order a designer on Fiverr as well. So right now I am not doing any of this. I'm going to add from device. So I'm going to go straight to a part of my system right here. Okay, the first thing I need to do now is I need to go down back to my new tab. I'm going to start BG, like BG remover. Do you know why I go to BG remover? I already have an image on my system that I want to use, which is the image of a rose, a beautiful rose. And I'm going to remove the background in BG right here. Once I'm done removing the background, I will save the image, then go back to Printify, upload that same image of that rose on my product, then check it, arrange it very well, and as you can see, guys, I'm scrolling through my system now. I want to pick the specific product. These are the previous projects I've done on my system right here, and this is the rose I want to use. I'm going to click on rose, and I will remove the background now. So after a few seconds, once this is done, this is going to take a time, and but be fast with it, and make sure you open your eyes while you're doing everything, and make sure you link everything you need to link very well. So guys, I'm done downloading this now. So I need to cancel this one. Okay. So now I'm going back to Printify. After downloading that stuff, I'm going to click on upload. I want to upload that same thing from Printify down to my system here. So guys, I already added the rows now to the place, and I change the color by clicking on all colors. Then I click on the second color that is available here. Okay, this is my product now. I want to make this product duplicate. I want to duplicate this product, like I want it to be one on this side as well as one on the other side here. So now both products are both rose image and in both sides. So I want to make something like they should face each other like this, and I'll do that now, guys. So now okay, 1 minute. So guys, once you change the design you want to do, the exact thing you want to do on your Printify, whatever you want to show on your product, in order to like attract the audience, add it there. And now we are done. Okay, almost done. I want the same thing to be on both sides of it. I want to enlarge this one as well, as I want to broaden it as well, just like other one. Yeah. So guys, both products have the same image now. So the next thing, I'm going to save product. Then after clicking on save product, then the next option, I'll put my store on Etsy. So guys, I have just a few seconds left to speak with you guys. So after this, then I'm going to click on option here. There is going to be, I'm picking this option, guys. The option with this guy, I'm going to pick this guy, or I should pick this lady. But right now I want to pick this guy because I already used the lady before. Then I'm going to click on publish. After clicking on publish, it will automatically publish on your store. Or if it did not publish automatically on your store, that means you have to link a payment method to your store in order for your product to live stream to your audience. So guys, this is where my product that I publish. As you can see, it's on publishing. As you can see the option here, guys, I already published